Hi everyone, it's Angela from Cakeangel. Today I'm going to show you how to make dairy-free Rice Krispie treats. And for this we're going to start with 7 cups of Rice Krispies in a greased bowl. Now we're going to melt 90 grams of plant-based butter. We're going to add 500 grams of marshmallows. And then we're going to start to melt them over a low heat. Now you want to stir these occasionally to make sure that they don't stick and that they don't brown too quickly. And this is what they look like when they're starting to melt. You can see they're nice and shiny and glossy, and they get stringier as they melt even more. So we want to keep going until we're almost 100% melted with the marshmallows. And there we go, this just takes a few minutes. Next thing we're going to do is add that mix to our Rice Krispies, and then you're just going to stir everything to combine. Now it's really sticky and gloopy, so I suggest you use a silicone spatula for this. You can also spray the spatula if it starts to stick a little bit too much to it. And again, you can see it's almost fully combined here. It's got lots of that stringy gooiness going on. So we're going to put it in our greased 9x13 dish. And you're going to try and keep it as even and as flat as you can. And then we're simply going to let them sit until they firm up, ready enough for us to cut. So this is what they look like once it's been sat for about 30 minutes. You can see that it looks set. Now I'm going to cut it. It's entirely up to you how big or how small you cut these. I'm just going to do a couple of cuts to show you what they look like. So they're still gooey, they're not fully set, and they will continue to set over time as they dry out. You can have a good look at all that marshmallow goodness inside. And there we go. Nice and simple dairy-free Rice Krispie treats. Hope you've enjoyed this quick bake along. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.